Hello students, in the previous sessions we have discussed what are the matrices and different types of matrices, transpose of a matrix, how to add two matrices, how to multiply two matrices, skew symmetric matrix, so on. Now based on the total topic we will be discussing problems related to the previous chapters. That is, your reference book is Telugu Academy Mathematics paper 1A. So in that exercise, in the matrix chapter, the third chapter is a matrix. In that we'll go for exercise 3A, 3B, 3C and related to the problems of 3A, 3B, 3C. So now we'll see the problem number 1. Construct a matrix of size 3 by 4 defined by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Means we have to construct a matrix which consists of 3 rows and 4 columns. So let's see the solution. So let us rewrite what will be the 3 by 4 matrix in general form. A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14 because 3 rows and 4 columns. A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. So this is our matrix of size 3 by 4. And how the elements will be based on the condition Ij. So in the place of I it is, if I go for A11, in the place of I it is 1, in the place of j it is 1. Now we will see what will be A11. A11 is equal to 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. So 1 plus 1. 2 square 4 by 2 2. A12 1 plus 2 whole square by 2 which is 1 plus 2 3 square 9 by 2. A13 1 plus 3 whole square by 2 which is 1 plus 3 is 4 square 16 by 2 is 8. A14 1 plus 4 whole square by 2, it is 1 plus 4 is 5 square 25 by 2. Now we will see the second row elements. A21 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 which is 9 by 2. A22 2 plus 2 whole square by 2 plus 2 4 square 16 by 2 8. A23 2 plus 3 whole square by 2 that will give to 25 by 2. A33 3 plus not A33 it is A24 will be 2 plus 4 whole square by 2 plus 4 6 square 36 by 2 18. Next we will see the third row. A31 3 plus 1 whole square by 2 3 plus 1 4 square 16 by 2 8. A32 3 plus 2 whole square by 2 that will be 25 by 2. A33 3 plus 3 whole square by 2 3 plus 3 6 square 36 by 2 18. A34 3 plus 4 whole square by 2 3 plus 4 7 square 49. So it is 49 by 2. So these are the elements will be present in the matrix of size 3 by 4 and defined by I plus j whole square by 2. So what will the matrix? So we'll enter the elements. A is equal to, the first row elements are 2 9 by 2 8 25 by 2. Second row elements 9 by 2 8 25 by 2 and 18. Third row elements are 8 25 by 2 18 and 49 by 2. So this is a matrix of size 3 by 4. Next, we'll see the next question. The question is, if the matrix x minus 3, 2y minus 8, z plus 2, 6 is equal to 5, 2, minus 2, 8, a minus 4, then the question is, find what is x, y, z, a. So this is a problem based on the equal matrices. So as per the definition of the equal matrix, what is when we can say the two matrices are equal? If the matrices should be of same size and the corresponding elements are equal. Now the size of this matrix is 2 by 2 and here also is 2 by 2. So we can, and he is giving that it is a condition that there are two matrices are equal, means the corresponding element should be also equal. So we'll see, we'll compare. Now we'll see the solution. X minus 3 is equal to 5. The first row of the first matrix, first column of this matrix should be same as first row, first column of the second this matrix. So what we can have, x is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So the value of x should be 8. Next, 2y minus 8 is equal to 2. The corresponding elements, 2y minus 8 is equal to 2 implies 2y is equal to 8 plus 2, means 2y is equal to 10 implies y is equal to 5. The value of y will be 5. Next, second row first column element should be is equal to second row first column. That is, z plus 2 is equal to minus 2 implies z is equal to minus 2 which is minus 4. Means z is equal to minus 4. Next, 6 is equal to a minus 4 implies a is equal to 6 plus 4 which is 10. So what are the values of x, y, z and a? X is equal to 8, y is equal to 5, z is equal to minus 4 and a is equal to 10. So it is a problem based on the equality of matrices. Next, we'll see the next question. The question is, if the matrix A is minus 1, 3, 4, 2, B is 2, 1, 3, minus 5, which are both of 2 by 2 matrices, and capital X is also a 2 by 2 matrix, and the condition is A plus B is equal to X, means A plus B means it is based on sum of the two matrices. When we can have the addition of matrices means the two matrices should be of same size and the elements will be the sum of the corresponding elements. Now we will see what is A plus B. Solution, A plus B. Let me write the matrices. Minus 1, 3, 4, 2 plus. And what is B? 2, 1, 3, minus 5. Now what will be A plus B? The sum of the corresponding elements. Minus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 2 plus of minus 5. So minus 1 plus 2, it gives to 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus of minus 5, it will be minus 3. So that is, this is the matrix of A plus B. And this matrix is compared with capital X. So as A plus B is equal to capital X, what is A plus B? 1, 4, 7, minus 3, and capital X is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4. So these two matrices are equal, means the corresponding elements are also equal. So we can have, on comparing, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 4, x3 is equal to 7 and x4 is equal to minus 3. So these are the values of x1, x2, x3, x4. Now problem number 4. If A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, minus 6, which is of size 3 by 3, and there is another matrix B, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Then what is asking? 3A minus 2B. So 3 is a scalar, A is a matrix. Means 3A is a scalar is multiplied by a matrix. And 2 is also a scalar, B is also a matrix. So 2 is multiplied with every element of the matrix B. So 3A, 2B are scalar. 3 and 2 are scalars. And what is the sign in between them is difference. Now it is a problem based on the difference of matrices. So what is the definition of the difference of matrices is the difference of the corresponding elements gives the difference of the matrix. Now we'll see the solution. A minus 2B. First, we'll multiply each and every element of A with 3 and every element of matrix B with 2. That gives to 3A and 2B. So let me write what will be 3A. 3A matrix will be 3A matrix will be every element of A is multiplied with 3. 3 into 0. 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 3 into 5, 3 into minus 6. So which is a matrix? 0, 3 into 1, 3, 6, 6, 9, 12, 12, 15, minus 18. So that is this is a 3A matrix. And what is 2B matrix? So every element of matrix B is multiplied with 2. 2B matrix. 2 into minus 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 0, 2 into 1, 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 2 into minus 1, which gives to what? Minus 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 2 is minus 2. Now, this is 3A matrix and this is 2B matrix. Now, we will go for the difference of matrices. 3A minus 2B, 0, 3, 6, 6, 9, 12, 12, 15, minus 18, minus the another matrix B, minus 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 2. Now we will see the difference. So the difference will be the difference of the corresponding elements gives the matrix. Minus 2 is subtracted from 0. 0 minus of minus 2. 3 minus 4. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 0. 9 minus 2. 12 minus 0. 12 minus 0. 15 minus 0. Minus 18. Minus of minus 2. That will be 2, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 0. 6 minus 0, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 12 minus 0, 12. 12 minus 0, 12, 15 minus 0, 15, minus 18 plus 2. It gives to minus 16. So this is our result matrix of 3A minus 2B. Now we will see one more problem. Find the trace of the matrix capital A is equal to 1, 2, 5, minus 6, 0, 5, minus 4, 3, 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, 8, 9, 10. What is the trace of a matrix? Yes, the sum of the diagonal elements of a square matrix is called the trace. Means the addition of all principal diagonal elements. So in this What is the size of the matrix? It is a 4 by 4 matrix, which is a square matrix. Now we'll see what is the trace. So trace of A is the sum of the diagonal elements. So what are the diagonal elements in the matrix? 1, 5, 7, 10. So 1, 5, 7, 10. So these are called diagonal elements in the matrix. So if you add all the elements, that gives the trace. 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10. That is 6, 13 plus 10, 23. So it will be 23. So the trace of the matrix is 23. Next we'll see the next question. The question is, if A is equal to 2, 4, minus 1, K, which is a 2 by 2 square matrix, and A square is equal to O. O means it is a zero matrix of same size. Why? Because this A square matrix and O matrix will be equal. Now what is A square? A square means, we'll see the problem, we'll see the solution. A square means A into A, means it is a product of a matrix with itself. And we have discussed when this matrix multiplication is also possible. Now let me check. So A is a size 2, 4, minus 1, K of size 2 by 2 into with same matrix itself, 2, 4, minus 1, K. It is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So what is the condition for a matrix multiplication? When it is possible, the number of columns of the first matrix should be same as number of rows of the second matrix. So these two are equal. So matrix multiplication is possible. That is how the elements will be. So first row with first column elements. The sum of the first row with first column elements of the second matrix. So 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. Next, first row with second column elements. 2 into 4 plus 4 into K. As there is no another column in the matrix, so we will shift to the second row. Second row elements with first column elements. Minus 1 into 2 plus K into minus 1. Next, second row with second column elements. Minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 into 4 plus K into K. That will be 2 to the 4. 4 plus 4 into minus 1. 4 minus 4. 8 plus 4K. 8 plus 4K. Minus 2 minus K. Minus 4 plus K square. So these are the elements present in A square. Now this A square is compared with zero matrix of same size. Since A square is equal to O, zero, 4 minus 4, 0, 8 plus 4K, 8 plus 4K, minus 2 minus K, minus 4 plus K square is equal to O, 0, 0, 0, 0, which is of 2 by 2 matrix. So on comparing, we can compare any value in order to find the value of K. 8 plus 4K is equal to 0, implies 4K is equal to minus 8, implies K is equal to minus 2. So that is the value of minus 2. K. Is it clear? Now we'll move the next question. Now we'll see one more problem based on the matrix multiplication. So if you practice more and more problems on matrix multiplication, it will be easy for you. Now we'll see the question. If A is equal to 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, means it is a matrix of size 2 by 4 matrix. And there is one more matrix B, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. Means it is a matrix of what size? It is a size of 4 by 3. So, and is asking what is the question? And is asking A dot B. So, we'll see the solution. Is it possible or not? We'll check it. A is a matrix 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, which is of size, what size? What size? It is a size of 2 by 4. And B is another matrix of 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 3, 2. And what is the size here? 4 by 3. So, as the number of columns of the first matrix is same as number of rows of the second matrix. So, 4, 4. Therefore, we can have a matrix multiplication. And how the elements and what will be the size? The size will be 2 by 3. Means in the matrix multiplication, it consists of 2 rows and 3 columns. And how the elements will be. Now, the first row of the matrix A is with first column of second matrix. That is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. Next, the same row, first row with second column elements. 2 into minus 1, 0 into 4 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 3. Next, first row with third column elements. 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. So that is the first row elements. Next, as there is no another column in the second matrix, so now we'll shift to the second row of the first matrix. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. Next, second row with second column elements. 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 3. Next, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Four plus 0 minus 4 plus 1 minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 minus 3 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 2 plus 0 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 3 0 1 plus 0 plus 2. So which gives to what? 4 plus 0 minus 4 plus 1. It gives to 1 on adding. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 minus 3. It gives to minus 3. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. It only 2. It gives to 2. 2 plus 0 minus 2 plus 1. It will be 1. Minus 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 3. It will be 1. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2. It is 3. So this is the matrix AB. Now, if I change the question, if this is a two other matrix, can we find BA? Can we find BA? So what is the size of the matrix? Of size matrix B is 4 by 3. Now it is 4 by 3 and A will be of size 2 by 4. Now the columns of matrix B is 3 and rows of A are 2. Are they equal? No. If it is no, then matrix BA is not possible. So as AB is possible, whereas BA is not possible. That's why matrix multiplication is not commutative. Now we'll see the next question. Again, one more problem on matrix multiplication. If A is equal to 2, 4, 0, 1, B is equal to -1, 2, 3, 4, and the question is what is AB and BA. Now we'll see the solution. A into B. So let me write it for matrices 2, 4, 0, 1 into -1, 2, 3, 4. As matrix multiplication is possible because there are 2 columns in the first matrix and 2 rows in the second matrix. So 2 is equal to 2. Matrix multiplication is possible. And let's see what will be the result of the matrix. The first row elements with first column elements of matrix B. The sum of the product of first row with first column elements of matrix B. Let me write 2 into -1 plus 4 into 3. Next, first row with second column elements. 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4. Next, second row with first column elements. 0 into -1 plus 1 into 3. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 4. So it gives to what? -2 plus 12, 4 plus 16, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 4. And that gives to what? 10, 20, 3, 4. And this is a matrix of AB. And we'll write what will be BA. What is B? -1, 2, 3, 4 into 2, 4, 0, 1. Again, in this BA also matrix multiplication is possible. Why? Because there are 2 columns in the first matrix B and 2 rows in the matrix A. Now we'll see the matrix multiplication. -1 into 2 plus 2 into 0. The first row with first column elements. -1 into 2 plus 2 into 0. Next, first row with second column. -1 into 4 plus 2 into 1. -1 into 4 plus 2 into 1. 3. Next, second row with first column elements. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Next, 3 into 4 plus 4 into 1. What it gives to what? -2 plus 0. -2. -4 plus 2. -2. 6 plus 0. 6. 12 plus 4. 16. So this is a matrix AB and BA. Sometimes the product AB and BA also exist, but they may not be equal, because if you compare this, these two matrices are not equal. Again, we can say that matrix multiplication is not commutative. Next question. If A is equal to a matrix of size 3 by 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, and is asking, show that A square minus 4A minus 5A is equal to O. O means 0 matrix. So let us take the left hand side and we'll prove that it is a 0 matrix. So what is given? LHS, it is A square minus 5A minus 5A minus 4A minus 5I. I indicates what? It is a identity matrix or unit matrix of what order? 3. So this can be written as A square plus minus 4 into A plus minus 5 into I. means minus 4 is a scalar. Scalar is multiplied to each and every element of matrix A. Similarly, minus 5 is multiplied to each and every element of capital I. Let me write what is A square, what is A, and what is I. Now, A square means A into A, means a matrix is multiplied with say itself 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 into 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. So I am going directly the first row element with first column 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 2 4. Next 1 into 2 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 2 4. Next first row with third column 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 1 2. Similarly, second row with first column elements 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 2 4. Second row with second column elements 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 2 to 2 4. Similarly, 4 plus 2 plus 2. You can try for the next row. You will see 2 into 1 2 plus 2 to 4 plus 1 into 2 2. Next, third row with second column 2 to the 4 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 2 2. Next, third row with third column 2 into 2 4 plus 1. It gives to what? 1 plus 4 plus 4 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9. So this is the matrix A square. Now we will see what is minus 4A. So minus 4 is multiplied to each and every element of matrix A. That is, it gives to minus 4, minus 8, minus 8. Next, minus 8, minus 4, minus 8. Minus 8, minus 8, minus 4. That will be minus 4A matrix. Now we will see minus 5 into I. Minus 5I. What is I? Identity matrix with 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So minus 5I will be minus 5 0 0 0 minus 5 0 0 0 minus 5. So these are the three matrices, and we will go for the given one condition. A square minus 4A minus 5I. A square. What is A square? 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 8 9 plus minus 4A matrix minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 4 plus what is minus 5I matrix? Minus 5 0 0 0 minus 5 0 0 0 minus 5. Now in between the matrices the operation is plus, the addition is possible because the three matrices will be of same size and the elements will be the addition of the corresponding elements. Now we will see this. 9 minus 4 minus 5, 8 minus 8 plus 0, 8 minus 8 plus 0, 8 minus 8 plus 0, 9 minus 4 minus 5, 8 minus 8 plus 0, 8 minus 8 plus 0. 8 minus 8 plus 0. Last row 9 minus 4 minus 5. So what matrix it gives? 9 minus 4 minus 5 0. 8 minus 8 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, which is RHS. Hence a square minus 4a minus 5i is equal to what? What we can conclude is a square minus 4a minus 5i is a zero matrix. That is our proof. Next question. Now we'll see the problem based on the transpose of a matrix. If A is equal to minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4 and B is another matrix with minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2, then find A plus B transpose. Means this is a problem which consists of addition of two matrices as well as transpose of a matrix. So what is the transpose of a matrix? What is the transpose of a matrix? So interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix gives the transpose of the matrix. So he is asking A plus B dash. So let me write the matrices of A and B dash. A is of size minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4 plus B is a matrix of 2 by 3. B is a matrix of 2 by 3, but when we interchange the rows and columns, that gives the transpose of the matrix. So the transpose of this matrix will be, the first row becomes the first column, minus 2, 3, 1. The second row becomes the second column, 4, 0, 2. So now these two matrices will be of same size and matrix addition is possible. How the elements will be? The elements will be the sum of the corresponding elements. Minus 2 plus of minus 2, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 0 plus 0, minus 1 plus 1, 4 plus 2. That gives to what? The final result? Minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 4 plus 2, 6. So that is the matrix of A plus B transpose. And there is one more problem, that is 2A dash plus B. What will be 2 times of A dash? Again, A dash means transpose of matrix A. So let me write 2 times of A dash. So again, here it is a size of 3 by 2. When we transpose it, it will be 2 by 3. Transpose. Minus 2, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4. It is a transpose of matrix A. Plus B matrix. Minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. Now, 2 is a scalar and this is a matrix. 2 is multiplied to each and every element of this matrix. Minus 4, 10, minus 2, 2, 0, 8, plus minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. So as two matrices are of same size and the matrix addition is possible, and it gives to what? Minus 4 plus minus 2, minus 6, 10 plus 3, 13, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Next, 2 plus 4, 6, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10. So it is a size of 2 by 3 matrix. Next, we'll see the next question. Now, we'll see the question based on the symmetric matrix. So what is a symmetric matrix? If we interchange the rows and columns of the matrix A, that transpose matrix should be same as matrix A. That is, A transpose is equal to A. Then That matrix is called symmetric matrix. Now we'll see this solution. So what is given? This matrix A is a symmetric. Means if we interchange the rows and columns also, we will be getting the same matrix A. Now we'll go for A transpose. The first row becomes the first column, minus 1, 2, 3. Second row with second column, 2, 5, 6. And third row will be third column, 3, x, 7. And this A transpose should be equal to what? A. Minus 1, 2, 3. 2, 5, 6. 3, x, 7. So if these two matrices are equal, then the question is what is x? Now compare the corresponding elements. All will be equal. So here x is equal to 6. Or you may choose here also. The 6 is equal to x. So from this, what we conclude is x is equal to 6. So it is based on the symmetric matrix. Now the problem is based on the skew symmetric matrix. What is a skew symmetric matrix? When we transpose of a matrix, you will get minus A. Means a square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if, what is the condition? A transpose is equal to minus A. If we get this minus A, then that matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Now we will see what is A transpose of this given matrix and what is A minus A also. Both will be equal. Now we will see what is A transpose. A transpose will be interchanging the rows and columns. The first row becomes the first column, 0, 2, 1. The second row, minus 2, 0, minus 2. And third row becomes the third column, minus 1, x, 0. So this is a matrix of transpose. And minus A. What is minus A? Minus A means minus 1 into A. That is, minus 1 is a scalar which is to be multiplied with each and every element of this matrix. So let's see what is minus A. 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, and this will be 1, minus x, and this will be 0. As the given condition is a skew symmetric, means it should satisfy A transpose is equal to minus A. That is 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, x, 1, minus 2, 0 is equal to, what is minus A matrix? 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, minus x, 0. If these two matrices are equal, then what is the question? What? Find x. Now compare these two matrices, you can have x value here. Or from here also we can have the x value. So from this, x is equal to what? 2. So this is a question on skew symmetric matrix. Thank you.